So this is the circuit. We are using Arduino, Bluetooth, and 4 channel relay. Then here is the switch. We are connected with the relays, and this will turn on LEDs. This one, uh, this one, and then here one LED is there. This will turn on the LEDs. Also it will turn on the switches uh, which are connected in this switchboard, and these are connected to switches. We have not connected any devices yet, so I will show you how the lights will turn on. We are using this app uh, to turn on the LED and connect with the Bluetooth. Right now the Bluetooth, we are using HC05 model. The Bluetooth light is blinking, and now we will connect to Bluetooth. Here you can see HC05. So the blinking will stop as soon as the light will connect, app will connect. So it is showing connected, and the blinking has stopped. And now we will turn on the LED. First we will turn on light 1. So you can see here the light 1 is turned on. Then we will turn on the light 2. So here these lights turned on as these are connected in a single switch. So this is the switch which are connected in this board. So we have not connected any device, so it will not turn on, but here you can see these are turned on. Now I have reset the Arduino, and this light is not connected with the relay, so it is turned on as I have switched on from the manual switch. So now I will turn it on via voice command. Turn on. So as I said turn on, so here it is written turn on, and all the LEDs have turned on. You can see over here. These LEDs are turned on. So likewise our module will work. And so this is a smart home project, mini project we have done. So in this circuit we have used Arduino and connected it with Bluetooth module, that is HC05, and 4 channel relay module. We have connected the 4 pins of Bluetooth module to digital and analog pins of Arduino, and we have connected the all pins of 4 channel relay module to Arduino. To buy this project, contact me on my Instagram, or you can also email me, and the link is given in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.